few comments on my last video about this SunJoe electric pressure washer, asking for updates, if it's still working good, have I had any problems. And honestly, it's been sitting in my garage, but I got a lot of mold all over the house and some stuff on the concrete I want to clean up. So let's give it a try. I just pulled it out of the garage, hooked it all up. It's the first time I'm turning it on in months. So, moment of truth. The machine running for a while there, cleaning up, and the engine like sputtered a little bit and like sputtered water out. So stopped spraying, started over, seemed to work better. Now I'm trying to replicate it because I did see some comments where that happened to some people's machines, but hasn't happened again. So I'm hoping it's just a fluke, or maybe the water got caught in the hose somewhere. So let's keep going. So quick update, I just dropped the gun from the very top of that ladder, held my breath, but it didn't shatter. It just got a little bit of a scrape, but pretty durable. I was happy about that. I also have some kind of moldy spots on the roof, so it's hard to film while I'm doing it, but that's what it looks like. I'll show you the after. Okay, so that's the after. Definitely not perfect, but I'm not getting up there. So that'll have to do for now. Okay, so after a few hours, you'll see here the engine sputters again. You can see it and hear it. It doesn't really push water out at high pressure, and the engine makes a really bad sputtering, kind of like overheating type of noise. Okay, so it's about 5 hours later, and you saw how the engine sputtered like that, so I swapped it over to the lower pressure nozzle. I was using this one a lot. This is like the highest pressure. Once I switched it over to the lower pressure nozzle, it seemed to work better. I didn't really get that sputtering again. And then after using it that way, I switched it back to the 0, and it was working fine. So I think maybe the engine was overheating, or since I have the hose all the way from the backyard, maybe it just wasn't getting enough pressure. But I did the entire house. I mean, the porch, every side, the back porch. Also did some cushions. I did some trellises. And that's really the only issue I had, and it really fixed itself. So it did the job. I'm gonna say it was a success, and definitely give my approval on this machine. It's pretty great. once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time.